Human values are the foundation upon which individuals and societies build meaningful lives. They guide behavior, shape character, and influence relationships, decisions, and interactions with the world. Human values encompass moral principles, ethical standards, and social ideals that promote individual integrity and collective harmony. These values, such as honesty, compassion, respect, responsibility, tolerance, and justice, are not only essential for personal development but also critical for the well-being of communities and nations. Human values refer to the principles and beliefs that guide individuals in distinguishing right from wrong and help them live in alignment with societal norms and personal convictions. Unlike rules or laws, values are internal compasses that individuals carry with them. While they may be influenced by culture, religion, family, and education, human values often transcend specific backgrounds and resonate universally. For instance, honesty is valued across cultures because it fosters trust. Similarly, respect for others, regardless of differences, is a cornerstone of civil society. These values form the ethical scaffolding upon which personal decisions and social structures are built. At the individual level, human values are central to personal growth. They shape one's identity, character, and worldview. A person who lives by strong values tends to lead a more purposeful and authentic life. For example, integrity, a commitment to truth and moral principles, creates self-respect and earns the trust of others. Compassion enables one to connect with others' suffering and respond with empathy, enhancing emotional intelligence and resilience. Living in alignment with human values brings a sense of inner peace and fulfillment. When actions are consistent with deeply held values, individuals experience less inner conflict and greater clarity in decision-making. This alignment contributes to mental well-being, self-confidence, and a meaningful existence. Human relationships, whether in families, friendships, workplaces, or communities, are strengthened through shared values. Trust, mutual respect, and understanding form the bedrock of any healthy relationship, and these qualities are direct reflections of core human values. For example, empathy and kindness promote emotional closeness and cooperation, while fairness ensures justice in interactions. Responsibility strengthens bonds by encouraging accountability, and tolerance fosters inclusivity and acceptance of differences. These values not only enhance personal connections but also contribute to a cohesive and supportive society. When people practice these values, conflicts are resolved more peacefully, collaboration becomes more effective, and social cohesion is strengthened. In contrast, the absence of shared values often leads to division, mistrust, and societal decay. Education plays a vital role in instilling and nurturing human values. While academic knowledge equips students with information and skills, value-based education develops their character and ethical judgment. Schools and universities that emphasize values such as respect, perseverance, honesty, and compassion help students grow into responsible and empathetic citizens. Incorporating human values into education also prepares individuals to navigate real-world challenges with integrity and social awareness. For example, teaching the value of environmental responsibility encourages young people to make sustainable choices, while fostering respect and inclusion helps counteract prejudice and discrimination. Educational institutions must go beyond rote learning and encourage critical thinking about ethical dilemmas, social justice, and human rights. By creating value-driven learning environments, educators help shape future leaders who will prioritize humanity alongside progress. In professional settings, human values are essential for building ethical cultures and productive environments. Honesty, accountability, respect, and collaboration are crucial for effective teamwork and leadership. Employees who uphold these values contribute to trust, fairness, and morale within an organization. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, ethical business practices, and respect for workers' rights are reflections of values at the organizational level. When businesses operate with integrity and compassion, they not only achieve long-term success but also positively impact the communities they serve. Moreover, Organizations that promote inclusivity, transparency, and ethical behavior attract and retain talent more effectively. Employees are more engaged and loyal when they feel respected and when their values align with those of the company. While many human values are universal, such as love, justice, and kindness, others may be more culturally specific or expressed differently across societies. For example, collectivist cultures may emphasize community and harmony, while individualist cultures may prioritize personal freedom and independence. Recognizing this distinction is important in today's globalized world. Cultural sensitivity and awareness of diverse value systems foster international cooperation, mutual respect, and peaceful coexistence. At the same time, there are core human values that transcend cultural boundaries and unite people around shared ethical principles and humanitarian ideals. The world faces numerous challenges: conflict, inequality, environmental degradation, and social injustice. Addressing these issues requires more than technical solutions. It demands a values-based approach. Human values such as compassion, responsibility, and justice are essential in guiding policies, inspiring activism, and promoting sustainable development. For example, combating climate change requires not only scientific innovation but also a collective sense of responsibility toward future generations and the planet. Reducing poverty and inequality demands empathy, solidarity, and a commitment to fairness. Resolving conflict and violence depends on dialogue, forgiveness, and respect for human dignity. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, promoted by the United Nations are rooted in human values, aiming to create a world where all people have access to opportunity, peace, and well-being. Realizing these goals will depend largely on our collective ability to act with integrity, compassion, and courage. In modern society, there are growing concerns about the erosion of human values. Materialism, individualism, and digital disconnection can lead to apathy, selfishness, and loss of empathy. When people prioritize personal gain over collective well-being, the social fabric begins to weaken. Corruption, dishonesty, intolerance, and injustice are often symptoms of a decline in values. They lead to mistrust in institutions, social unrest, and moral confusion. Rebuilding a values-based culture requires conscious effort by families, schools, media, and governments to promote and reinforce ethical principles in everyday life. The digital revolution has transformed how people interact, learn, and live. While technology offers many benefits, it also poses challenges to the preservation of human values. Online anonymity can lead to cyberbullying, misinformation, and a decline in civility. However, the same platforms can be used to spread kindness, awareness, and positive values. Influencers, educators, and digital citizens must recognize their role in shaping online culture. Promoting truth, respect, and compassion in digital spaces is crucial for maintaining a healthy, connected society. Human values are the moral compass of society. They shape who we are, how we relate to others, and what kind of world we build. Whether through personal character, social relationships, education, professional ethics, or global cooperation, values such as integrity, empathy, respect, and justice guide us toward a more humane and equitable future. In a rapidly changing world, the importance of human values cannot be overstated. They provide stability amidst uncertainty and offer a vision for a better tomorrow. By nurturing and practicing these values in every sphere of life, individuals and societies alike can thrive, united by a shared commitment to the dignity and well-being of all.